President Donald Trump's efforts to deploy National Guard troops in states that don't want them will be tested in two different courts Thursday. Lawyers for Chicago and Illinois will go before a federal judge to try to block troops from being deployed in the country's third most populous city, while attorneys for Portland and Oregon will urge a federal appeals court to leave in place a restraining order against troop deployments there. The hearings, in Chicago and San Francisco, are set to begin at noon ET in courthouses about 2,000 miles apart. "We're looking for the courts to do the right thing," Illinois Gov. J.B. Pritzker, a Democrat, told reporters Wednesday. Trump defended his actions in both states. "Everything we're doing is very lawful. What they're doing is not lawful," he said at the White House later Wednesday. Illinois sued Monday, seeking to block the administration from deploying federalized National Guard troops on the streets of Chicago, contending it's illegal, unconstitutional, and unnecessary. Trump ordered the deployment over the weekend. U.S. Northern Command said that 500 National Guard members have been mobilized, 300 from Illinois and 200 from Texas, and that some of the troops from Texas were on duty in the greater Chicago area as of Wednesday night. These forces will protect U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement and other U.S. government personnel who are performing federal functions, including the enforcement of federal law, and to protect federal property, Northern Command said in a statement. The lawsuit argues that there's no emergency in Chicago and that the administration has been trying to provoke unrest by increasing the presence of federal law agents who are using unprecedented brute force tactics for civil immigration enforcement. Those tactics include shooting chemical munitions at groups that included media and legal observers at an ICE facility outside Chicago, and staging a dramatically produced raid at an apartment building in which agents rappelled down from Black Hawk helicopters.